If your plants and trees are struggling in the summer heat, don't worry. A few simple changes can help them stay healthy even during a heat wave. When temperatures remain high for several days, the soil dries out much faster. Plants lose water through their leaves, and roots have a harder time supplying enough moisture. As a result, plants start wilting, flowers may fall off, and fruit production can slow down. But with the right care, you can reduce heat stress and keep your garden growing. The first thing you should do is add mulch around your plants. You can use straw, wood chips, or even sawdust if that's what you have. Mulch is one of the easiest ways to protect plants from extreme heat. It covers the soil and slows down water evaporation, so the ground stays moist for much longer after watering. It also keeps the soil cooler by blocking direct sunlight. This protects the roots, which are responsible for taking up water and nutrients. Cooler roots mean healthier plants. Mulch also helps keep weeds under control, and that's important because weeds compete with your plants for water, especially during hot weather. The next thing you can do is give your plants a light liquid feed. We are using rice water, which is simply the water left after washing rice. Instead of pouring it down the drain, use it in your garden. Rice water contains a small amount of minerals and natural starch. The starch feeds the helpful microorganisms living in the soil. These tiny organisms break down organic matter and make nutrients easier for plant roots to absorb. During a heat wave, healthy soil can make a big difference because stressed plants need all the support they can get. Rice water is also much gentler than strong chemical fertilizers. In very hot weather, heavy fertilizers can encourage fast, soft growth that dries out quickly in the sun. Rice water gives plants a mild boost without adding extra stress. Just use fresh rice wash water and pour it onto the soil around the roots instead of over the leaves. The last step is to improve the way you water your plants. If you can, install a drip irrigation system. It delivers water slowly right where the roots need it, instead of letting it evaporate from the soil surface. If you don't want to buy a drip system, you can make a simple one with an old plastic bottle. The water will slowly seep into the soil over the next several hours. It's cheap, easy to make, and works surprisingly well. Slow watering allows moisture to reach deeper into the soil, encouraging roots to grow down instead of staying near the surface. Plants with deeper roots handle hot, dry weather much better. By adding mulch, using rice water, and setting up a simple drip watering system, you can help your plants stay cooler, hold moisture for longer, and get through the hottest days of summer with far less stress.